And the real reason why I made this channel is I've always had a desire to share the gospel, and it's been kind of difficult knowing the best way to do that when my interactions with people, where I get to see people and meet with people in person, it's getting less and less. Like with me being able to work at home, with me not going into town as much. I live in Canada, I live on this farm, so I don't really get to talk to that many people or meet that many people other than online, where I feel like online I can share my thoughts and the gospel with like people all over the world. So that's the purpose of this channel, is to get real people and learn about their testimonies and their journeys with the church, with not only the church, with Jesus Christ, with